guys, I'm Nina.
And I'm Randa.
And today we are going to show you how we do our makeup. We've gotten lots of questions on what we've been doing differently. I'm so happy you noticed. You're right. No, we didn't get plastic surgery or nose jobs or lip injections. We just changed the way we do our makeup, and this could really honestly change your life.
I gotta say, if you're a boy and you're interested in me or you have a crush, like, just get off this video now. I don't need you to see this.
We don't need you to know our dirty little secrets, okay?
Yeah.
This one's for the ladies, and of course for the men who want to wear makeup too.
Yeah.
You do you, boo.
If you're interested in me, click away.
So first things first, we have to talk about obviously having clear skin. If you didn't know, we had horrible, literally worst acne ever.
This is my skin, no makeup
and
on.
Randa is beautiful, doesn't have any makeup on.
Thank you. No acne.
And we appreciate having clear skin because we know what it's like
Seriously.
to have breakouts.
And I gotta say, so we used to spend hours just literally putting on the foundation of our skin.
And now we only spend 25.3 minutes.
No, it's way less than that. But I can take more time on my eyeshadow, on my contour, or whatever, because I don't have to spend time just trying to hide all these red blemishes. So,
TBT when Nina and Randa didn't blend their makeup. And
Yeah.
you guys told us,
In
what
the
the are you doing? And we got it, we figured it out. The key to clear skin is a whole foods, low-fat, plant-based diet and oil-free skincare. So we've cleansed Randa's face with our Serene Cleansing Gel, and I'm going to moisturize it with my clean hands now.
yeah, this is our very own products, clear skin program, cleansing gel, moisturizer. We got a shampoo and conditioner. I'll link in the description.
All right, so we tend to only put moisturizer really where we need it. That's a little secret. You don't necessarily need it everywhere unless you're actually dry. If you live in Hawaii or some humid ass place, you probably don't need moisturizer at all.
Yes. Available on Amazon.
You don't look greasy.
It's so lightweight, I forget it's even on.
It's honestly
It's
just
amazing.
a great primer too.
Yes.
Okay, so let's get into what I think is the most important part, and that is your foundation. Who do you think out of the two of us is better at makeup?
I don't think I'm that bad at it.
I never said you were bad at it.
Right, but maybe you're a little better, I don't know.
I had to learn how to be better at makeup because I'm just more insecure.
What? That I'm insecure. What the heck?
We got some oil-free foundation on my hand. It is matte, and I just put like little dots all around her face. If you have, you know, more like actual bad acne, what you can do is you can get like a green cover-up stick and use that and put this foundation over it, and it will cover
Hides the
your
redness.
And again, I'm not even gonna put it around here because Randa's got cute little freckles and we're gonna show that off. So I used to use beauty blenders, and it's a no-go from me now. I think they're disgusting because you have to wash them all the time, and then you store them in your makeup bag, and then mold can start to grow on them. And I literally noticed such a difference when I stopped using beauty blenders. I think my skin got better after that.
Yeah.
So this is a disposable makeup sponge. Some people might think that's wasteful. I totally understand. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And what I'm gonna do is I'm blending it along her jawline so she doesn't get that little annoying line. If you notice, I'm literally just patting upwards. Some people kind of like drag their makeup down. It's literally like you're pulling on your face. Your skin is very sensitive, and if you don't want it to be red and you don't want to aggravate it more, you gotta be gentle. Now we're getting into the goods. I took a lighter foundation. Again, it's just oil-free, and I'm gonna take the lighter foundation and put it around her nose. And here is where some of the contour starts. So on like the outer bridge of Randa's nose and a little bit down here, I'm just gonna put the tiniest lighter foundation, not on the freckles, and then I'm just gonna lightly dab and blend.
So what this is doing is it's creating light. We're creating light and shadows on my nose to make it look a little different.
Yeah, it's gonna make it like, the illusion makes it look just like a tiny bit smaller, and
not that that's necessarily better, but it's just kind of fun to switch up your look.
It's like whatever you prefer. Randa is gonna do her own nose contour. She's got a thin little brush and a darker shade.
It's called Shady Biz Sunstalker. It's just like a nice contour. So I guess I'm contouring my nose first. So I'm taking this very tiny brush and I'm gonna make a line on my nose. So what you do is you start where your eyebrow starts, and then you draw a line all the way down Wait, I don't know about
Randa,
this.
that looks like a unibrow.
This is a thicker brush than I usually
Okay,
use.
let me fix this. I need
No,
to blend
wait.
this
I'm
out.
just gonna take it all the way down to the bottom of the nose.
Ladies and gentlemen, I personally think you shouldn't do it that close to your eyebrow because you could potentially make it look like
This is not
unibrow.
how I normally do it.
I don't know what you're doing right now.
Well, what I'm doing is now I'm adding a little bit of tan here because this makes your nose look more pointed or something.
Oh.
I don't know.
I don't
I've been
do it
told
like
that.
I personally don't do it like that. Can I blend this?
Wait.
What you also could do is you could take a little brown pencil, and this is what you could do to make it a straight line. You just go like that. Like
What?
Yes, I'm telling you. People are gonna be like, what the hell are they doing?
I've never done. No.
No, I'm telling you, it blends out and you just blend up.
My nose
me
looks
see.
like it's dirty.
Yeah, it looks dirty.
Okay, it does look a
I
little
have
dirty.
a dirty nose. We need to wash this
We
off.
need to redo that. It's because of your bad contour. It's not because of me.
There you go.
She's used to a smaller brush.
So we're making a very thin line on the bridge of my nose, and it's making it look smaller.
And the idea is not to make it look like a line. It's more of just like a shadow. It's contour.
I have a Tarte highlighter, and it's called Exposed Highlight, and I'm gonna add this to the tip of my nose.
And
Then you
the
blend
brown.
out the dark and the light together.
Okay, well, we have different techniques. All right, Dad, does that look better? Does it look like anything?
It's good.
It's good?
Good.
His voice went high.
It's good. Dad's next. I'm gonna take my bronzer. And so this is a trick I've learned recently. So right where your sideburns are, this is where you want to apply your bronzer. We used to say make a fishy face and go underneath, but that actually kind of like droops your face a bit. This kind of lifts it up more. And I just like the look a lot more. So here's her sideburn. We're gonna bring it down like all the way to her eyebrow and just lift it up. Lift, lift, lift. Down and up. Well, you don't really have sideburns, but next I take a different brush for my blush. And Randa's gonna smile, and I'm just gonna dab it on the little apples of the cheeks.
Okay, so I have my Urban Decay eyeshadow priming lotion. So I'm just gonna apply this to my eyelids just a little bit.
Personally, I haven't even really been wearing eyeshadow. I just put a bunch of mascara, and I'm like, that's enough for me.
That's good. So I just blend it out gently with my fingers.
Yeah.
I just got this new palette, and this is like a pinky purpley. I'm just gonna take the lighter pink colors, mix the two, and put this on my lid. In the crease, I'm adding a little bit of this purple color.
Can I just do it?
No, it's
Oh,
okay.
also, you wanna like blend it like outward, like towards your eyebrow. Some people blend down, and then that's just pulling your eyes down. We wanna make it look like lifted like a little ballerina.
And then again with this palette, I'm using the kind of green shimmer, and I'm also adding that
To the corner?
The corner.
You look like a butterfly.
Next step, I like to go back to my highlighter, and this is the Tarte, and I just add this to the top part
Of the brow.
of the brow as a highlight under my eyebrows.
I just use my pinky.
Yeah. Next up, we have a liquid eyeliner, and normally I like to go with a tinier brush and just use a little bit of shadow as my liner, but sometimes I like to do liquid because it's more of a
fancy.
dramatic effect. And a tip that I recently learned is you have to go above and then bring it down, because then you're making your eyes lifted like a cat.
And so we used to go all the way along our entire eye and then add the wing, but no, you don't. You want to go like 3/4 of the way
And then lift it up. I'm gonna try and go as thin with my line as possible.
Good job.
So-
That's subtle.
Thank you. Now that I've gotten 3/4 of the way, I'm doing it upwards like a V. So next step, we got our Better Than Sex mascara.
I also don't really like to wear eyeliner that much. It stresses me out. And then also one day my brother said, it looks like Sharpie. And I'm like, oh, maybe I won't wear it then. Truly though, this looks very elegant. You've done a great job.
Thank you.
Last step, we have lip liner. So this is a little bit darker than our natural lip color.
What I like to do when I line is go a little bit over here
Yeah.
and then follow the natural line. What is this called?
That's like a lip injection thing. It stings your lips and makes them bigger for a little bit.
It's like a gloss.
And then it blends the liner so it's like all becomes one. And then it kind of gives that illusion that you have bigger lips, you know?
One more step that I actually forgot that I'd like to add is this is by Tarte and it is a gold shimmer. And I like to add this to the very center of my eyelids because it makes the focus go there. And so you just tap a little bit on the center and it kind of adds this gold to it.
Oh.
Literally just right in the center, blending it out.
That looks marvelous. You are ready for like a night out on the red carpet.
I'm ready for my date tonight that got
that's-
canceled.
Pretty glammed. So here we have like the full glam look and then kind of like the more natural. Basically, it's like the same except for I just did mascara.
Yes,
So
and
that's it. That's our tips. That's the only thing we've been doing differently.
Yep.
Hope you enjoyed that and you can use these tips in your makeup routine because they've like really helped me.
And remember, you don't need makeup to feel confident, but if it does make you feel a little good and it's fun, go ahead and do it. And if you're interested in our skincare line, check it out. We'll link it in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. See
Bye.
you.